Identify the land animal. Look at the given pictures. Which animal has a bigger tail? Identify the day animal. Which of the following animal is not very active during the day? Okay, do the test, everybody. Once again, I am sending the link. Please do it. Please open the chat box. Revision test link is there. I know that if you are facing severe network issue, please don't try to do it now in the class. I'll send the test link by evening through the WhatsApp group, because you will not able to see the pictures what I have put in the question paper. So if you are facing severe network issue, please don't do it now. You can do it later. Means evening I'll send the link through the WhatsApp group. I hope everybody completed. Let us move to the revision part. Yes, we have only one more lesson to revise in the class. We have already completed the revision of the lesson My House. We have completed Wings and Tails. We revised in the class. And today what ma'am is planning, we can revise the lesson. What should we eat? Can you hear me? Give me a thumbs up. If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now I want all my children to please stand up. I know this is afternoon session. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
in a sleepy mood. Are you in a sleepy mood or a good mood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I love you all.
Ma'am,
Please come
please
back to my
adjust
class.
your
Everyone,
mic.
give me a cute smile. Okay, okay. Then sit down. Sit down. Stand up. Come close to the.
Ma'am, voice slow.
Hey.
Ma'am, adjust your mic.
Okay. I like you all. I love you all. So today we are going
Ma'am,
to learn
adjust
about
your
the
mic.
food that we eat. Talking in the class. Tell me, what do we have in the morning? What do we have?
Breakfast. Breakfast.
Morning we have.
Breakfast.
And tell me, what do we have in the afternoon?
Lunch. Lunch.
At night. At night.
Dinner.
At
Dinner.
dinner. Okay. We used to eat a variety of food items every day. And what about a newborn baby? A newborn baby.
Milk.
Ah, it is
Milk.
only
And
milk.
water is slow.
Why the babies drink only milk? They don't
And
have.
water is slow.
They can drink juices. They can
He
eat
has
pulp
strong,
and
healthy,
milk. Who is talking in the class? Angela?
and water is slow.
Who is talking in the class? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then listen. Listen to ma'am what I'm saying, because we are revising the lesson. Please listen to me. Yes. Okay, the newborn babies and newborn babies can drink only milk. What about the babies? 6 months baby, 3 months baby, they can eat fruit pulp and they can drink juices. Okay, why? They cannot eat a variety of food items like us. They can't eat the rice, vegetables, cereals, pulses like what we eat. Why? Because they don't have teeth inside their mouth. Okay, they don't have teeth like us to chew the food. We all have teeth in our mouth. Can you say, touch and show me your teeth? Okay. That's nice. Isabel, I don't have front teeth. Baby, what happened to your front teeth? Okay, okay, okay. It will come after few days, okay? Ah, Hiba, I can see your teeth. Efron, hello. Sitting so seriously in ma'am's class. Okay, okay. Now listen, children. So we eat a different variety of food items every day. Every day we eat different varieties of food items. Okay. We eat
Ma'am, Isabel, 10 out of
vegetables.
10.
Who's talking in the class? Fruits and vegetables and cooked meat. And we must drink 1 glass of milk every day. And at least 8 glasses of water we have to drink every day. We need to eat egg, okay, rich in proteins and lot of nutrients. We have to eat good food, and some food items help us to grow. Some food items fight against diseases like fruits and vegetables. Okay, now we all know that this is corona time. The deadly virus is spreading like anything. How can we protect ourselves? We have to eat more good food. Means we have to include more proteins, vitamins, and all the minerals. From where do we get all these nutrients? From the cereals, pulses, fruits and vegetables, milk, egg. Okay. Are we supposed to eat noodles?
No.
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 No. Is it a good food? Noodles is a good food?
No.
No, 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 no.
No. No.
Never. Okay. Once in a while it's okay. But I know that some children, they always ask their mummy, I want noodles, I don't want rice. Ah, my children won't be like that. What I believe, my 1C children are very good. You will not make any hungama in the house to get noodles because I like you. See, your Faisal ma'am is asking you to eat good food. Okay, means cereals.
Okay.
Okay, tell me what are the cereals? Do you remember what are cereals? For pulses. And
Pulses.
we have to eat fruits and vegetables. Hmm? Fruits and vegetables also very good for our body. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning. Do you remember the rhyme that you have learned in UKG?
Yes.
Apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning. Do you remember?
Daughter
That means
comes
apples are very
morning.
good for our body. We have to eat, we need to eat at least 1 apple in a day. And we need to eat milk and milk products. What are the milk products? Do you know what are the milk products? Curd, butter, cheese, paneer. It's very yummy, yummy butter. Okay, ma'am is going to share some pictures to you. Do you want to see the pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on,
Yes, ma'am.
let us watch some pictures.
Ma'am, audio clear.
What happened?
Audio no clear.
My voice is not clear. Why?
Yes.
I don't know. I don't know why. What about others? I think everybody can hear me well. Can you hear me?
I can hear.
Only Angela is saying she cannot hear me. I don't know, maybe Angela's network is complained. I think. Angela,
No sound. Audio.
now you can watch some pictures. Are you ready? Yes, it is coming. Please wait. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Apple in the morning, doctor's warning. Hey! Can you see the picture?
Yes, ma'am.
A cute baby is drinking milk.
Baby drink milk.
Baby is smiling
Baby
and is
drinking
drinking the
milk.
Yeah, so cute. Because babies do not have teeth in their mouth, so they can drink only milk.
Baby
Now look at the
milk.
picture. We eat what we grown up people. We eat rice, dal,
Rice.
roti, vegetables.
Dal.
Oh, different varieties of curries we can see in this plate.
Roti and vegetables.
We can see salad.
Rice.
We can see one sweet is there, curd is there. So a different
They-
variety of food items we can see in this picture. Rice, roti, dal, vegetables. Now look at the next picture.
Roti.
Milk.
Milk.
Do you drink your milk
Milk.
every day? Milk is very good for our body. Milk is very, very good for
Milk.
our body. Milk is very good for our body, rich in lot of nutrients. Okay.
Ma'am.
We have to drink at least 1 glass of milk every day. Now, fruits. Wow.
Fruits.
Wow, yummy
Fruit.
fruits. You know, it's my favorite fruit. That is banana. That's my favorite fruit. Okay, Daksha, can you tell me what is your favorite one? Mine it is banana.
Ma'am, audio sound.
Angela still complaining. Angela, you keep got your network maybe. Daksha, can
Ma'am,
you hear?
audio sound. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, everybody can hear me, Angela. Then what is Daksha? Which is your favorite fruit, baby? Daksha, which is your favorite fruit?
Apple.
Apple.
Yes.
My favorite is my banana. Fruits are very good for our body. Fruits and vegetables keep us healthy and fight against diseases. Now, it's an egg. Egg is also good for our body. They have
egg.
Yeah, we should eat egg every day. Wow! What is this cooked meat?
Cook the meat.
Chicken fry. Do you like chicken fry, Sri Parvati?
Yes, ma'am.
Nazia, Manna. Then, oh, Evelyn. Evelyn. Somebody's mouth starts watering. Chicken fry, cooked meat. So also very good for our
Cook
body.
the meat.
Cooked meat, good for our body. We need
Cook
to
the meat. Cook the meat.
eat to grow.
Cook the meat.
Okay, here one girl, she's having her breakfast with a porridge, 1 glass of milk and fruits. And here I am showing some cereals. Rice.
Breakfast.
Rice is a cereal.
Rice.
And wheat.
Rice. Rice.
Then
Rice.
pulse,
R-I-C-E.
masoor
Rice.
dal, black grams.
Gram.
Now,
Pea.
spinach is a leafy
Spinach.
vegetable. Spinach is a
Spinach.
vegetable good for our body.
Carrot.
Carrot.
C-A-R-R-O-T-S. Carrots.
We can make carrot halwa, carrot torin, carrot juice. That's really tasty and healthy. Brinjals. Another.
Pringle.
Apple. Apple.
Apple.
Apple.
Grapes.
Grain.
Banana.
Oranges.
Orange.
Mango.
Mango.
Third, it's milk products. Now ma'am is showing some milk
Products.
curd,
Products.
butter, butter,
Butter. Butter.
Paneer.
Paneer.
now look at the board. These are some energy giving food items.
Oil.
Oil.
Vegetables.
Now these are the food items that help us to grow. Pulses, milk and milk products, fish,
Fish.
cooked meat. Now, these are the food items means fruits and vegetables fight against all the diseases. Now everybody, now all my children, please take out your rough book and copy down these words. Just copy down these words to one time. Write only one time. Write how many times you have to write? One time. Then after the class, you can write all the words 10 times and study. Now you can write only one time. Tea. Copy down these words. Tea. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Tea. L-U-N-C-H. Lunch. Breakfast. B-R-E-A-K. F-A-S-T. Breakfast. Number 4. Dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Number 5. Cooked meat. C-O-O-K-E-D. Cooked. Cooked meat. Number 6.
Dinner.
6.
Cooked meat. M-E-A-T meat.
U-L-P.
Fruit. Pulp.
J-U-I-C-E. Juice.
Juice.
Number 8.
Number 8.
Cereal. C-E-R-E-A-L.
Cereal.
Cereals. L-S. Cereals. Number 9. Pulses. Pulses. P-U-L-S-E-S.
Pulses.
Then vegetables. Vegetables. V-E-G-E. Vegetables. T-A. Vegetables.
Vegetables.
Number 11. Energy. Some food items gives us energy. Energy. Number 12. Strong. Strong. S-T-R-O-N.
S-T-R-O-N-G.
copy down these 12 words in your book. Just copy down. And after the class, you can do that write and study. Not now. After my class, you can do it 10 times. Now, everybody copy down. Teeth, lunch, teeth, lunch, breakfast, dinner, cooked meat, fruit pulp, juice, cereals, pulses, vegetables, energy, strong. So today we revised the lesson food. What should we eat? We revised the lesson what should I eat? Let us wind up the session. I hope my children have completed the words to your rough book. Let us wind up the session. Tell me. Evelyn, have you completed? Show me your book, baby. Why? Why? Okay, after the class you need to write and study all the words, okay? I know that some children, they are facing network issue. I know that, I can understand. So please don't worry, they are not able to see the board what I am sharing. So don't worry, I will send the words through the WhatsApp after the class. By evening, I'll send all the words to the WhatsApp. You can write and study at home. No worries. Okay. So let us wind up the session. Can we wind up the session, children? Okay. Bye-bye. Give me your cute smile. Then I will enter the class. Come. Close to the camera. Will you score full mark for GS? Huh? Can you give me full mark for GS? Second term test? Term 2 test? Yes, I am expecting full mark from all the children from 1C because I love you. I am sure that you will definitely study GS. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Give me full mark. Okay. And study well. GS. Always study GS and study the spellings thoroughly. Bye-bye. Like you. Take care always.
Bye bye.
Bye.